a civil authority has issued a law enforcement warning in effect for the following counties/areas: Marion, Oregon. At 10:45 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, Wednesday, August 30th, 2023, effective until further notice. This is a message from the Marion County Sheriff's Office. The Oregon State Police are searching for an escaped adult in custody and patient of the Oregon State Hospital, Christopher Lee Prey. He was last seen moving southbound on Interstate 5 in a stolen 2016 Dodge Caravan, bearing Oregon licensee 265,614. Prey is considered extremely dangerous and should not be approached. Call 911 if seen.